You've probably seen those sleek space age capsule homes popping up in your feed and thought, wow, let's walk through what they really are, how they arrive, what's actually inside, and what costs and red tape sit between you and moving in. I'll keep it simple, keep it real, and flag the trade offs so you don't get blindsided. First, what makes a capsule home different from tiny kits and shed conversions? Most capsules are factory built as a finished box. They ship mostly complete, sometimes as a single unit. That's why ads call them turnkey or plug and play. Turnkey means you unlock the door and the basics are already there. Think walls finished, lighting installed, bath space fitted, wiring and plumbing pre-run. But turnkey on paper and ready to live in your backyard are not the same thing. You still need land, a place to set it, and a way to hook it up. Where do they come from? The majority are manufactured overseas, mainly in China. You'll see names like Glamney, Capsule Castle, and Massimo Modular. Importing isn't a red flag by itself. It just means your house is also an international shipment with paperwork, customs, and delivery logistics you have to plan for. Now, the part listings gloss over. The foundation is on you. That could be a concrete slab, piers, or ground screws if local code allows. Utility connections are also on you. Power, water, and sewer or septic need a pro to connect safely and legally. Even off-grid options like solar, batteries, and rainwater sound easy, but they add cost fast and still need proper design. And if the unit arrives as a single, rigid box, you may need a crane to lift it into place. Let's talk money. Prices vary a lot by size and spec. Base prices often start in the low to mid 20,000s and can run to 70,000 or more. That base is the house itself. The real number you care about is total installed cost. Add ocean freight or overland shipping, insurance, customs, last mile delivery, a crane, the foundation, utility trenching and hookups, and permits. What about livability day to day? Capsules are compact. Think efficient studio, not sprawling condo. You get a small bath, a compact kitchen wall, and a combined living and sleeping zone. Storage is the usual pain point, so built-ins matter. Noise control depends on wall mass and window quality. A quick reality check on the marketing. Capsule homes are real, and many are genuinely well made. The factory finish can be excellent, and the time savings over a DIY shell are huge. But plug and play is only true after you solve land, foundation, utilities, permits, and access. If a price sounds unbelievably low, it's usually a bare bones spec or a base unit before shipping and setup. If a listing shows designer furniture and premium appliances, confirm they are actually included and not just staging.